Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to layer hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. First, ensure your face is clean. Then, apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin. This helps it draw in moisture effectively. Immediately after, apply your niacinamide serum. This simple order ensures both ingredients work synergistically, enhancing your skin's hydration and barrier function without any complex steps. This layering method is effective because hyaluronic acid, a humectant, needs moisture to work best, so damp skin is ideal. Niacinamide then follows, supporting your skin's barrier and reducing inflammation. Both ingredients are water-based and absorb well in this sequence. This ensures each product delivers its full benefits, leaving your skin feeling hydrated and looking smoother. To maximize the benefits, always follow your serums with a moisturizer. This step locks in the hydration and active ingredients. Remember, a small amount of each serum is usually sufficient, perhaps 2 to 3 drops. Consistency is key. Regular application will yield the best results over time, helping your skin look and feel its best. You can integrate this easy layering method into either your morning or evening skincare routine. If applying in the morning, always finish with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to protect your skin. Pay attention to how your skin responds. If you notice any irritation, reduce the frequency. This simple approach helps maintain a healthy, radiant complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.